Friends, did it ever occur to you that you have got your annual health checkup done, received the report, and when you go through the report, you are thoroughly confused? You definitely understand a few markers related to cardiac health, maybe diabetes, but there are many things that sounds alien to you. You wonder what they mean, what the impact they have on your health, and what action points you can draw. Typically, what happens after I receive my annual health report, I consult a friend or a family member who's a doctor, and they would say that, hey, Vivek, so you're vegetarian, your B12 is low, so start consuming these things or take some supplements, and everything looks fine. A report, when you go through in detail, it reveals a lot about your health. If analyzed right and objectively, it can prevent many future illnesses or some underlying condition that you may not be aware of. Let's explore how can you use AI to analyze your report, give you a recommendation, tell you if there is any chronic condition or anything that is worth concerning, and let it work as your health consultant. Ready? Today we are going to explore ChatGPT to get this done. And let's see whether it succeeds or fails. And if it succeeds, whether it matches our expectation. Does the recommendations make sense? Can the insights that I get, I use them to make my health better? Great. Let's explore. Let me first show you how the report looks like and what details it contains so that you know exactly what we are feeding in. So I'm first going to give you a glimpse of the report. This is the sample health report. Okay, it has been done by Healthians. The score is 79 out of 100. Now I want uh, ChatGPT to analyze this report as a health expert. So here I'm uploading the report. I'm going to give a prompt. Buddy, I want you to think like a holistic health expert with expertise in medical science, Ayurveda, homeopathy, and functional medicine, and suggest and give me key insights from this health report, key critical insights, and suggest me the action points that is easy to follow. Let's see what it does. Wow. Good, it's quite fast. Here is a breakdown of key concerns in your health report and actionable steps from a holistic perspective. So first is low vitamin B12. It's a concern, could lead to fatigue, nerve issues, and cognitive decline. Ayurveda and functional medicine, poor gut absorption or dietary deficiency. So it's not only looking at the report like a doctor, but as a holistic health expert. Low hemoglobin concern could indicate mild anemia, possibly linked to low iron. And Ayurveda could be related to weak digestion. Mandagni, wow. Low serum iron, 57.8. It's a concern. It could lead to low energy and poor oxygen transport. From functional medicine perspective, could be due to low stomach acid and chronic inflammation. Elevated TSH, it's a concern, suggests underactive thyroid function. From Ayurveda perspective, related to cough imbalance and sluggish metabolism. Good. High cholesterol. Here I see wherever it is related to functional medicine, it's giving you the guidance. From functional medicine perspective, wherever it could pick the things from Ayurveda perspective, it's giving you guidance from Ayurveda perspective. That's interesting. High total cholesterol, that's 275, that's a concern. Increased risk of cardiovascular health. This person has increased risk of cardiovascular heart health. And functional medicine says that it could be due to inflammation or insulin resistance. Elevated HbA1c. It shows that this person has pre-diabetes, indicates insulin resistance risk. From Ayurveda perspective, linked to excessive cough dosha and poor sugar metabolism. High ESR and CRP. These are inflammation markers, suggest chronic low grade inflammation. And from homeopathy perspective, chronic inflammation may be linked to past unresolved infections. Borderline kidney function may indicate mild dehydration or early kidney function fluctuations. All right, and it gives the actionable steps. Now let's look at the actionable steps that it gives. So first is improve vitamin B12 and iron level, dietary, increased intake of B12 rich foods. It also suggests you what kind of food you can eat, eggs, dairy, fish, chicken, and nutritional yeast. From Ayurveda perspective, strengthen digestion with Triphala and Amla. That is very, very specific guidance. Triphala is used for uh, constipation, to get rid of constipation. And from functional medicine perspective, the guidance is consider a methylated B12 supplement. Okay. Ensure adequate stomach acid. Consume lemon water or apple cider vinegar before meals. Good. Now, support thyroid function. How can that be done? From diet perspective, include some iodine-rich foods, seaweed, fish, selenium, and zinc. Zinc you can get from pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seeds. And Ayurveda, drink warm turmeric water in the morning to balance cough. And functional medicine suggests reduce gluten and soy intake as they may interfere with thyroid function. Now, manage cholesterol naturally. That looks very interesting. And the challenges that we face is when you let me stop the sharing. The challenges that we typically face is when you speak to a doctor, he or she gives you only one's perspective. When you show the report to an Ayurveda guy, she or girl, she gives you her perspective. Where ChatGPT can be truly game changer is that it gives you holistic perspective that one expert may not ever be able to give you. So let's go back to the report. Now, reduce inflammation and improve immunity. It says dietary anti-inflammatory food like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and omega-3 rich fish. Ayurveda, drink tulsi ashwagandha tea for immune balance. Okay. And functional medicine says increase magnesium, vitamin D to reduce systemic inflation. Okay. What can you do about blood sugar? Dietary, first focus on low glycemic foods, quinoa, millets, and reduced refined sugar. Ayurveda suggests add cinnamon and fenugreek to meals to enhance insulin sensitivity. And functional medicine suggests try intermittent fasting, 12 to 14 hours to improve insulin response. And boost Kidney function. This person also appears to have issues with kidney. So, dehydration. Drink at least 2 3 liters of warm water daily. Ayurveda coconut water and barley water help detox the kidneys. Functional medicine reduce processed salt, focus on potassium rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, etc. Now, it has got a lot of recommendations. Is it possible to follow all of them? Looks difficult. So, here are a few final recommendations. Daily morning routine, lemon water, turmeric, light stretching. Exercise, 30-minute daily, yoga, brisk walking, resistance training, whatever works for you. Stress reduction, meditation, breath work, and ashwagandha. Okay, ashwagandha helps you beat your stress. I didn't know that. And regular checkup, reevaluate vitamin B12, iron, and cholesterol in 3 months. Would you like a detailed plan and supplement guide for these? Okay, so let's ask it to provide me the detailed diet plan. Let's be very, very specific so that it tells us exactly what we need to eat. Consider yourself an expert dietitian and suggest me an optimal diet plan, keeping in mind that I am a busy corporate executive with average working of 14 hours in a day in the office. Okay, what we have done, we have given a very specific command, because many times we get the diet plan but we don't follow it because our schedule doesn't permit. I've told it that I am a senior executive, have got 14 hours of work schedule inside the office. So let's see what kind of diet plan it suggests. It's taking a lot of time. I'm wondering why it's taking so much time. Oh, wow, it got it. Got it. Since you have hectic 14-hour work schedule, you need high energy, anti-inflammatory, and easy to manage diet plan that supports focus, stamina, and overall well-being. Here is an optimal executive wellness diet plan. I love the name, executive wellness diet plan. So first, pre-breakfast, detox and energy boost. Upon waking, 6 to 7 a.m., warm lemon turmeric water. Half lemon, 1 teaspoon turmeric plus warm water. Soaked nuts and seeds, 5 almonds, 2 walnut, 1 teaspoon chia or flax seeds. That's very specific and it's quite doable in the morning. Supports detox, reduces inflammation, and provides brain-friendly fats. Then for breakfast, for breakfast, it says power start. Sounds very corporatized, right? So option one, two boiled eggs, one slice multi-grain toast, saute spinach, green tea with pinch of cinnamon. Option two, Greek yogurt with mixed berries, pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon peanut, almond butter on whole grain toast. Third is option three, mung dal chila. Oh, I love the word mung dal chila with mint chutney. 1 glass of buttermilk. High protein, keeps blood sugar stable, and fuels mental focus. If you have this kind of breakfast every day, I am sure you're going to feel a lot lighter and energetic throughout the day. Mid morning snack, 10 to 11 a.m. to sustain your energy. Handful of mixed nut, almond, walnut, pistachios. It has not added cashew nut here. One apple or pear. Option two, moringa tea or matcha tea for energy without caffeine crash. Prevents energy dips and boosts brain function. Lunch, it has given three options. First option is quinoa, brown rice plus grilled paneer chicken to meet your protein requirements. Stir fry veggies. That's for vegetarian. Option two is high protein salad, grilled tofu, cottage cheese, chicken for those who are non-vegetarian, mixed green, all with olive oil dressing. Option three is lentil soup, whole wheat roti, cucumber salad. It's not suggesting you very elaborate, heavy meal in the lunchtime. The evening snack it's suggesting is focus and metabolism boost. Option one, roasted makhana, okay, plus herbal tea. Option two is banana plus 1 teaspoon peanut butter. Option three is warm almond milk with cinnamon. It prevents evening cravings, supports metabolism. And then you have got the dinner option here, light yet satisfying. So grilled fish, tofu with saute veggies. Option two, khichdi with ghee, veggie stir fry. Somehow I believe it's getting to understand I'm Indian. Therefore, it's suggesting khichdi with ghee. And third is scrambled eggs with avocado, multigrain toast. And before bed, ashwagandha infused warm almond milk. Option two, chamomile chamomile tea. And then you have got bonus executive nutritional hacks. Hydration, drink 3 to 4 hours of water daily. Meal preparation, keep nuts, seeds, protein bars handy for quick nutrition and smart caffeine. Limit coffee to mornings, switch to green tea post lunch. This plan ensures sustained energy, focus, and optimal health without slowing you down. Let me know if you need specific meal preparation ideas or supplement recommendations. Now, let's ask it to provide supplement recommendations. Suggest me the supplements that I can use if I miss to follow the diet plan and yet stay in optimal health condition. All right, so it's suggesting multivitamins, omega 3 fatty acids, vitamin D3 plus K2, magnesium for stress and recovery, probiotic, gut health and immunity, for performance and energy boosters, B complex, energy and stress, and COQ10 for mitochondrial and heart health, ashwagandha, stress and burnout prevention, emergency meal replacement for busy days, and final thoughts, carry electrolyte powder. If I'm busy or traveling for hydration, use green powder, athletic greens, amazing grass. I never heard of these for extra nutrients. This supplement stack keeps you at peak performance even on days when you can't eat ideally. Let me know if you need brand comparison or dosage tweaks. Wow! AI is going to throw many people out of business. But always remember, everything that I showed to you or what ChatGPT did, it's a machine that cannot replace a health expert, be it a doctor, dietitian. So only consider this for guidance. And before you plan your diet or before you start taking action towards your optimal health, you must consult a professional doctor or health expert. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you are yet to subscribe the channel, click the subscribe button.